guys, it's Morgan with Longhaul Lifesavers, and today we've got renovation part 3. So I want to start today's video by thanking someone, and that would be John. He is actually at work today, so I'm filming by myself, which is kind of weird because we always do stuff together. So he's been working so much, and I wanted to show you guys what he did for me. He puts up with my crazy ideas, and 99% of the time is able to turn my thought process of nonsense into something that actually works. And that is exactly what he did on this project. My project for him was the stairs from the living area to the upstairs behind me. So part of the reason for the stair renovation the idea that I came up with is because I'm sick and tired of the brown on brown on brown that like every RV has and that we had. And if you've been following along with us, you've seen other renovations, part 1 and 2. So I'll put the last one, part 2, right here for you, and you'll see that we are slowly but surely getting rid of brown. And our stairs were the typical just RV brown step. We didn't have carpet on them. They were a finished surface, but they were slippery and they were ugly. I'm gonna show you guys what our solution was. Amazing, right? I am in love with them. I'm so in love with them. And the reason that I really want to thank John is because the time that this took to do. So we expected this to be maybe a 2-hour project because we got all the parts, made all the new stairs and the kick plates, had everything ready to go. Thought, yes, we'll just rip up the stairs, this will be fast. And it turned out the stairs are as good as quality as the rest of the rig. They were not only nailed, they were screwed and glued. It ended up being about a 7.5-hour project. So if you are thinking about doing this project, check how your stairs are installed before you start ripping things apart to find out that it's gonna be an all-day project. So I really wanna thank him for doing that. I love how they turned out. They are not slippery anymore and they tie everything together. If you've been following along with us, check out part 1 here. If you have not, we put in a desk and a bar top on the island and we burned those pieces as well. So this all kind of ties the living room together, the kitchen, everything goes together now. And then I'm gonna get ready to paint, so stay tuned for part 4. The gray that is going to be on the wall here matches like perfect with the kick plates on the stairs, so it'll all tie everything together really well. If you're curious on what we did, we bought wood, cut it to size for the steps, we burned it, and then we put polyurethane clear coat on it and rounded the edges so that we don't catch those. They're not sharp at all. And then we installed those. The kick plates that we put up, we just took, I believe it was pine board, and maybe it was, I don't remember. Put a comment if you have a question and I'll ask John and respond to you. But we burned those as well. And then John sanded them for me. And then I spray painted them white and then sanded them again. So a little bit of that burn came through. And then I actually took one of the wood stain or wood finish markers in the same color that matches our cabinets. And I put over top of the white spray paint. So it kind of gave it a distressed like beech wood look, just kind of softened it up a little bit so it wasn't either burnt or white. It's kind of a mixture of everything, and I think it gives a really good definition between the floor, the step, and the kick plate. I'm really happy. I love it. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Unfortunately, John will have to respond to the questions on this one because I really wasn't involved other than doing like the DIY coloring essentially and sanding and stuff like that, but he ripped everything apart and put it all back together for me. I absolutely love it. So thank you very much, John. Stay tuned for part 4. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell for all future content. We are having giveaways right now, so make sure to check out our Finally Friday vlogs. We will announce the winner this Friday, and then we will also have another giveaway starting right after we announce the winner. Check us out on Instagram at Longhaul Lifesavers. We'll see y'all Friday.